Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about DoorDash will now deliver hemp CBD and THC products in response to growing demand to help customers unwind and recharge. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers. BC, thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And it looks like DoorDash is once again expanding their delivery scope from beyond alcohol, from beyond food, beyond restaurants, beyond groceries, and now into the CBD market, along with other products in the pot department. So with that said, we are talking about everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. DoorDash now offers hemp-derived THC and CBD products for on-demand delivery in select states, giving customers of legal age more product to enjoy while they relax and recharge. Eligible customers can now order a variety of hemp-derived THC and CBD products from merchants like DashMart, a fulfillment platform and store from DoorDash, offering businesses a new channel to reach customers locally. Total Wine and More, ABC Fine Wine and Spirits, and more directly to their door to enjoy along with their favorite meals, snacks, and other essentials. Well, it's official! We're drug mules! Okay, with all seriousness, fun fact, this was actually a long discussed conversation from inside the DoorDash office. For a while, they were saying, no, there's too many legal things that have to do with it, and it still ends up popping up once in a while, and they finally pulled the trigger. They're doing it, which I'm sure a lot of drivers are going to be against the prospect, but on the bright side of this, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be pretty obvious when there are CBD products involved in the order. For example, Total Wine and More and ABC Fine Wine and Spirits, they're both ID required items. If you don't like to deliver alcohol, you definitely don't have to deliver CBD. But to be honest, I'm curious, why isn't there any help pages in regards to this yet? Or is it all kind of in the same category as alcohol still? Either way, DoorDash has made the official move. With the growing demand for hemp-derived THC and CBD products, we're excited to expand to a wide selection of products consumers crave, said Jacob Morello, Director, GM of Alcohol and Emerging Categories at DoorDash. As preferences evolve, DoorDash can now help eligible customers find new products to safely enjoy while they unwind and recharge in the new year. I mean, look, I'm not even going to be mad at DoorDash for being a money grab company, because this is definitely a money grab, but it's also a smart move. These kind of products are on the rise, and this is a market that is untapped and underserved. So there is a lot of opportunity there. In markets where hemp-derived products are available, customers will see the CBD THC tab in the DoorDash app. Simply select the tab to browse and easily order from a selection of hemp-derived THC and CBD beverages, tropicals, gummies, and more. As with alcohol, we've implemented multiple safeguards to ensure customers are of legal age, including electronic identification. So basically, they're in the same category on the platform overall, which makes sense because really it's going to be the same overall rules that alcohol has. You have to scan an ID, make sure they're of age, etc., etc. This expansion comes as a growing number of people seek new products to enjoy while they relax and decompress. According to a Harris Poll survey of U.S. adults aged 21 to 65, nearly 75% of those looking to de-stress in 2025 are considering incorporating THC CBD products into their routine, with 75% also considering participating in Dry January this year. To help consumers find exactly what they're looking for, we've created an easily shoppable page with hemp-derived products, non-alcoholic beverages, and more so they can enjoy social sips and celebrations or give their routine a much-needed refresh. Funny thing, it's actually under the topic of New Year, New You. you, which overall is a turnoff for me because I believe if you actually care about something, you would have started on December 27th. But that's personally for me. But seeing that there is a lot of demand for these kind of products means that we're going to be delivering them more if you are choosing to accept those orders. Now, the real question is not so much are we accepting those orders, is more so do these orders pay well? In terms of actually ordering these products, right? For alcohol specifically, people who order alcohol end up having a 30% higher bill in a lot of cases, thus leading to 30% more tips. But do customers who utilize CBD products also tip? That's the real question. Because most of the money you make on these apps is actually going to be based on tips. And if the customers are the kind of customers that don't tip, then we're not going to be making as much money. So remember, no matter how much opportunity knocks, no tip, no trips still applies here. Curious about what's hot in the world of hemp-derived products? Here are the top 5 most ordered hemp-derived items on DoorDash during the category's pilot phase. Gummies, drinks, seltzer, mocktails, soda, etc., mints, chocolates, honey sticks. Okay, so they've been piloting this for a while. I always assumed that they were actually doing some smoke shop deliveries out here. I didn't think it would go anywhere because I don't see a lot of well-paying orders from those places, you know? To celebrate the launch, DoorDash is partnering with Can, a leading hemp-infused social beverage company, to offer customers $2 off a multi-pack purchase. That offer is going to be valid until January 31st of 2025 and is only eligible on one multi-pack of eligible canned products at participating locations. So they're really trying to get some customers hooked on going to them. Whether you're embracing a fresh start to the new year or exploring new products to enjoy, DoorDash has you covered with a growing selection of hemp-derived products, non-alcoholic beverages, and snacks delivered right to your door. Fees and costs added to every purchase. But that's me being a dick. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Look, if you're the kind of driver that doesn't like to deliver products that you have to ID people for, this is not for you. If you're a customer that normally looks into CBD products in general, make sure you tip your drivers. Remember the most important rule of the gig economy. It's no tip, no trip. Not no tip, do the order anyway. Not no tip, begrudgingly do the order and get upset when something goes wrong. No tip, no trip. It's that simple. And of course, the other most important rule is diversifying your gig portfolio. Let's be honest, UberEats is probably going to hop on this too. Grubhub's probably going to hop on this at some point because they just got bought out by Wonder. And it's important that you hop on as many platforms as possible so you have as many opportunities to earn as possible. And that is one of the benefits you can find in the Driven Wyld Discord server. The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I've partnered with high-level professionals to bring you some of the most exclusive benefits based on your needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings. More live streams with high-level professionals in our industry. Educational systems designed to help you build your own dispatch company as well as other scalable opportunities. Driven Wyld is also kicking off their Dispatching for Beginners course. We are changing the game and transforming how businesses serve customers and how gig workers get opportunities. So whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, there is something here for you. Check the link in the description and get started with making the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. We are looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.